Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Microsoft Power Automate and UiPath. Microsoft Power Automate is a tool that helps you automate tasks across Microsoft apps and other services. It's easy to use, especially for people already using Microsoft 365. One big advantage is its simple interface and easy setup. It's great for automating emails, approvals, and file transfers, but it has fewer advanced features compared to some other tools, and it may not be the best for very complex automation tasks. UiPath is a more powerful automation platform used by businesses for larger and more complex processes. It supports desktop automation, works with different applications, and offers strong features for building custom pods. UiPath is better for technical users and large companies, but it can be harder to learn and the pricing may be higher compared to Power Automate. If you're looking for a simple and easy tool to automate tasks within the Microsoft tools, Power Automate is a good choice. But if you need strong and more flexible automation for complex business processes, UiPath is better. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.